Hello, my Ghanaian food family. Today we'll be preparing one of my family's favorite, corned beef stew. It's relatively easy and fast to prepare. Okay, let's start. For the ingredients, we need 7 tomatoes, half a cup of cooking oil, a quarter teaspoon of ground rosemary, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of curry powder, 1 large can of corned beef, 3 cloves of garlic, 5 small Scotch bonnet peppers, 2 large onions, half a bell pepper, and some rock salt. We begin by chopping our tomatoes into chunks for easy blending. Add the pepper, a little water, and then blend. Next, mince the garlic. We now cut and clean out the seeds of half the bell pepper. Cut the pepper into long strips. Then each strip into smaller pieces. Now cut the onions into thin slices. Heat the oil in a pot for about 30 seconds, then add the onions. Allow it to fry, stirring intermittently till it starts to brown. At this point, add the 3 spices and stir. Fry for about a minute and then add the minced garlic. Continue to stir for a minute more, then add the blended tomatoes. Stir a bit more, then cover and leave to simmer. Stir intermittently as you thicken the sauce to prevent it burning. Add half a teaspoon of rock salt. I add very little salt because the corned beef is salted. Continue to stir intermittently till the sauce thickens and starts frying. It's now time to add our corned beef to the sauce. Add a little water to stew the corned beef. Stir to mix in the corned beef. Add in the green pepper and stir to mix in as well. Taste for salt and add more if necessary. Cover and leave to simmer on low heat. Stir intermittently to keep it from burning. After simmering for 5 to 7 minutes, our corned beef stew is ready. We usually enjoy it with rice, kenkey, or boiled yam. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like, comment, and share to support us. Thank you.